The last and the final stage of our auto grader is this. We have collected the data from the Blackboard. We have also evaluated the data. Now it is time to enter the grades for each and every submission of the student. So what it will do, it will go here, okay, access the student records, enter the feedback from here, so their common mistakes and what are the suggested corrections. Also it will enter the grade and it will submit. Once you click submit, once it does submit, it will go to the next record and keeps going until it finishes this grade submission. So for grade submission, we have this code here, okay, tinymce. Let me go and run this code, tinymce, okay. Before running, let me show you in this code, we should have weekly writing comments.json, the file you are using. This is the file generated from the previous step. This is the file. So you got to use that file here. Plus you are also using the same file here. Okay. So there are two places. One of them is a grade calculation. In case we want to enable grade calculation in different ways, you can do that. So here you can see it is going to take the repeated number of errors and then it's going to subtract for each and every repeated. It will be like 0.25 marks and so on. We can change this grading policy if in case we want to. So let me go in. I'm going to click this. Moment I run this code, is going to open the Blackboard for me. I'm going to go in to the Blackboard. Okay. Again, log in and keep going to the course like before, like as the first time. Just go to the course of 221, then go to the grading, the grade center needs grading, and open the journal. We are looking to grade the weekly one, and that's it. Wait here. Okay. Now it will open. You can see it will open the first entry, and look what it is doing. It is going to enter the data and it is going to put some marks here and is going to attempt to submit, right? So it will enter here. By the way, remember, you see the number of mistakes is going to put the grade, and once it adds the grade here, it will submit. By the way, once it is submitted, it's going to open the second student and keeps going. I'm going to stop this code because we want the instructor to see the outcome of our checking, and if she is happy or he is happy, then we can run the last part of the code. Remember, once it is submitted, the entry will be lost from this one. It will be out of the student's actual record, will not be here in the weekly grading. That's all for AutoGrader. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Thank you.